Okay, so I sort of challenged myself to make a cheesecake in a microwave because I've never had success with it. But I have had success with graham cracker crusts in the microwave. They're not super crisp, but it's microwave. So it looks a whole lot different than normal graham cracker crust because basically normal graham cracker crust is graham crackers, sugar, and butter. This is 1 graham cracker, about a tablespoon of cornmeal, yellow cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar packed, and something like 2 tablespoons, I'd say.
Of milk.
Milk, yes, instead of butter. Microwaving things is different. I think I may actually overdone the milk. I'm gonna grab some more graham crackers.
Do you want me to continue recording or quit?
Sure. Okay. Just my personal suggestion for graham crackers, use stale ones. These are from like Christmas, I think.
I think those are from our Wyoming trip.
No, it's from our Durango trip, I think. But anyway,
Who cares?
they're pretty stale. Basically want to make a mush sort of thing that isn't super wet but isn't super dry. I think that's about it. It can be a little chunky because it'll all dissolve, I guess, in the microwave. So it's about that consistency. We're gonna throw it in the microwave for 30 seconds and we'll be back. Okay, so we ended up microwaving it for 30 seconds. Basically it'll be sort of bubbly, and while we're making the cream cheese, part of the cream cheese cake thing, we're gonna pop that in the fridge. So, we'll be back. Okay, so I've got a third of a block of cream cheese, and I've microwaved it for 30 seconds. I do this when I make cheesecakes because it makes it just easier to mix stuff. Then I'm going to add a half packet of gelatin, unflavored gelatin. Mix that up. I've never used gelatin in a cheesecake. I've done it with like a cream pie sort of thing, and it turned out really well. So hopefully it works this way as well. So I'm going to add some brown sugar to it, about a tablespoon, I think will work, just for some sweetness. It is a cake after all. And a bit of flavor, gives it that nice sort of caramel-y flavor that brown sugar has. And I'm just going to add a little bit of cornmeal. I use this in the crust as well. And I'm gonna grab the crust from inside the fridge. That's cooled down a bit. I mean, in a microwave with crust, as I'm pretty sure I stated before, it won't be super crisp. In fact, it may be a little rubbery because it's a microwave. It's not like an oven or a water bath or that stuff. But it works. I'm gonna spread that out. Grab my scraper here. spread that out. Traditionally, cheesecakes are in square dishes, round dishes, not square dishes, but square dish works. I'm gonna throw this in the fridge until it sets, that's the word, and we'll be back. Alright, so it set pretty well. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Well, before I try it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Please ask a lot of cooking questions. We're hoping to do a cooking question video thing. Yeah. Well, that's really good. Yeah, hope you give this a try, share with friends. Yeah, see you next time.